Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the OneKey crypto hardware wallet and the KeyTag titanium backup plate. Before I continue, I need to make a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I am not a financial expert, so any investments that you make are at your own risk. Alright, so let's get back to the review. OneKey contacted me and asked if I was interested in reviewing their OneKey Mini crypto hardware wallet as well as their KeyTag titanium backup plate. I was intrigued, so I said yes. Alright, so let's start with the OneKey Mini hardware crypto wallet. It's quite a compact device, weighs in around about 15.6 grams. It has a USB-C connection here, but it's not wireless. It comes with a 1.44 inch screen. It's a LCD screen, but it's not color. It's just black or white. It's got this display, and it has 4 buttons: top, bottom, left, and right, and also another button on the side. Now you need to power this up and of course set up the wallet. Once the wallet's there, it'll give you the phrases and the keys which you need to mark down, and of course you store them safely. It accepts a load of cryptos that you can actually use in conjunction with the app which you can download from the internet. Alright, so that's that. Now let's take a look at the other product, which is the OneKey KeyTag, the titanium backup plate. What you get is 2 backup plates, and they look like this. They basically are titanium plates with a grid that you can then mark those dots, and you use this tool here, which is interesting. It's like a pen, but it's got a sharp edge at the end here, and you use that to basically poke dots on the titanium plate. And you have a manual which comes with all the codes for the keywords. So based on for example the wallet right here, which you have the keys, instead of writing it down on a piece of paper, now use this pen right here to etch those dots on this titanium backup plate. Now you don't have to worry about your keys being written on a piece of paper, which could be lost, stolen, or worse, destroyed. It's on a backup plate which is pretty sturdy and it's made of titanium. Alright, so I'm going to be setting up the OneKey Mini crypto hardware wallet, and I'll see how this compares against my Cool Wallet Pro, which I've been using for quite a while. The only thing is I need to plug in a USB cable in order for it to work. So let's do a quick unboxing of these 2 products, and we'll see. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the OneKey Mini crypto hardware wallet as well as the KeyTag titanium backup plate. 2 great products that allow you to store your crypto safely and securely offline. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.